You're likely aware of why someone buys gold. It can be a hedge against inflation, a portfolio diversifier, and a store of wealth. However, you might not be aware of the ways to buy gold. First off, there's the most traditional approach, heading to a shop that sells gold. In a brick-and-mortar store, you can see and feel the gold and talk with a local person who's familiar with precious metals. Then there's purchasing gold online. In general, 51% of Americans and 67% of millennials prefer e-commerce. Shopping online provides the comfort of placing your order from home and the ease of placing your order on your computer. You can also pick up the phone and order gold. Typically, this enables you to chat with an experienced professional who's a gold specialist that can help you learn more about the gold products you're interested in purchasing. Never before have there been so many options for taking advantage of the benefits of gold. Physical gold comes in the form of gold coins and bars. These can be stored at home, or in a bank's safe deposit box, or a high-tech storage facility. The biggest benefit to buying physical gold is that you're buying a hard asset that isn't subject to the whims of economic uncertainty. Through a gold ETF or exchange-traded fund, you can gain access to the benefits of physical gold without needing to store or insure it, but also without the ability to hold the gold in your possession. Generally speaking, a gold ETF tracks the price of gold. Keep in mind, though, that a gold ETF can be victim of stock market volatility. Gold futures involve signing a contract to buy a set amount of gold at a fixed price sometime in the future. So when it's time to buy, any potential gains or losses are determined by the price of gold being more or less than the contracted price. Buying stock in gold mining operations allows someone to benefit from physical gold without actually owning it. However, these stocks can easily be swept up in the volatility of the markets. Of all the ways to buy gold, there's one that's right for you. Call U.S. Money Reserve today for a one-on-one consultation with an experienced account executive. Click the link in the description to download your free gold information kit, which will provide you with important information you should know about diversifying your portfolio by purchasing precious metals.